This is question 1 from paper 3-2 from the June 2020 maths exams from Cambridge International. Up the top right of the screen you'll find a card that'll bring you to a playlist that has all my solutions for this paper. And in the description below you'll find a link to an image of this question so you can try it before looking at my solution. As this is a question 1, it's fairly short and straightforward. They simply tell us that they have two expressions here. This one here, 6x to the power of 4, this fourth order expression, and they wanted us to divide it by this. Now when we're dividing algebraically, we set it up like this, a long division, sort of like we learned when we were fairly young, with some differences. Now the secret here is to know that dividing into something is sort of like finding out what multiplies that thing. 6 divided by 2. What you're asking yourself is what multiplies by 2 to get 6? So it's 3 in this simple case. So we're asking ourselves what multiplies by this to get this. So how we do that is we do it in parts. What must multiply a 2x squared to get 6x to the power of 4? So that's an easy one we can do. It's 3x squared. 3x squared multiplied by this will make this. And we get our first term and we keep knocking them off until we're finished, if it goes in evenly. This question they tell us it's not going to go in evenly. They want to quotate quotient and a remainder. So we know that this would be the thing to multiply the first term. But we have to multiply every term. So let's multiply by them all. The first one works out perfect. And the next one, 3x squared times minus x is minus 3x to the power of 3. That should be an x to the power of 3 there as well. Next one would be plus 3x squared, and then we could, if we want, just write 0 and 0. I think I will start writing this. Usually I leave that off, but I think this is probably a bit clearer. Yeah, I'm going to stay putting the zeros in. Okay, so how close are we? Let's take it away and see what's left over. This is our remainder we're looking for until our final remainder. So that take that away from that, we get 0. X cubed, 1x cubed minus 3, so that's 2 minuses. You can put a little plus in there, I see a lot of people do. So we have 1 plus 3, 4x cubed, minus 1 minus another 3, that's minus 4x squared. 5x minus 0 is 5x, or what you'll often just see is take these down. Take these down. Again, I usually only take one of them, which is what I need for the next term. But I'm going to continue to do it like this way. I think it's much more clearer. Okay, so now we're left with a new question. What do we need to multiply this by to get this? And we continue on until we're finished. So we multiply this by 2 plus 2x. We'll get this. Let's multiply it in. 4x cubed. 4x cubed minus 2x squared. Again, I'm multiplying this by each of these terms. 2x by 1 is plus 2x. Let's take that away. Oh, let's add in a 0. And let's take that away. We get 0. Minus 4 minus minus 2. So that's minus 4 plus 2. It's minus 2x squared. 5 minus 2 is 3x. And minus 6 minus 0 is minus 6. Okay, one last time. What do we need to multiply this by to get this? It's just minus 1. We get minus 2x squared. We get plus x, and we get minus 1. Let's see how close we were. We get that's gone. 3 minus 1 is 2x. Minus 6 minus minus 1 is minus 5. Okay, that's going to be our remainder because there's nothing else we can do. We can't multiply this by something to get this. I guess we could if we want to add in terms of 1 over x. But then we just stay going. 1 over x squared, 1 over x cubed. I guess in some ways we could say we're getting it more and more precise each time. But this is all that they want. This is the quotient and this is the remainder. I'd write something like that. I'd write q is 2x squared minus x plus 1, and the remainder is 2x minus 5. And that's full marks. If you have any questions about that, please put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer. Otherwise, check out the next video, it'll be the next question, or have a look through my channel if there's any questions you're having trouble with. Or let me know if there's a question or an exam that you're having trouble with, and I might do our solutions. Thanks for watching, have a great day.